Drop that right now.
That's insane.
I'm officially a steam cleaner convert. Scrubbing is a thing of the past. This is an absolute must-have. It blasts out dirt from the most stubborn nooks and crannies with zero effort. The amount of attachments it comes with is insane, meaning you can clean literally everything anywhere. It's the ultimate all-in-one tool. Head over to TikTok for their huge limited time sale.
So if it's still in stock, I'll try to put the link below for you.
This is a lot easier. With 6 different pressure modes, adjustable brushes to help get the dirt down, and an extremely high temperature steam, it cuts through grease, grime, and anything you can name it like butter. Look, if you're tired of the greaser really not doing the job, I'll go ahead and have this link down below. Go ahead and grab yours.
I'll try to put the link below for you.